Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to the YouTube channel Food Tech Buddy by Mudit Dhoka. Importance and scope of chemistry. Chemistry is an important subject and has wide scope in different fields. Engineering. All engineering materials like iron, steel, stainless steel, aluminium, zinc, tin, copper, galvanized steel, alloys like brass, amalgams, precious metals like silver, gold, platinum are extracted, purified, synthesized, and analyzed during processes based on chemical technology. Drugs. All drugs are synthesized in chemical pharmaceutical laboratories. These includes manufacture of drug L-DOPA used for treatment of Parkinson's disease, synthesis of human insulin used for treatment of diabetes. Life-saving drugs like cisplatin and Taxol are synthesized to give relief to cancer patients. Drug azithromycin (AZT) was first isolated from plant and then synthesized in laboratory for treating AIDS patients. There are many researchers in the fields of chemistry working hard for developing and discovering better and newer drugs for treating different and new illnesses. Tamiflu is the medicine developed to treat the patient suffering from swine flu. Hopefully, the research in the field of mechanism of aging will give longer, healthier and happier lifespan for the entire world population. Food. Trees and plants photosynthesize food in presence of sunlight. Green coloring matter chlorophyll acts as a photosensitizer, catalyst. The process is a simple chemical reaction. CO2 plus H2O in presence of sunlight gives food grain has fruits, flowers, cotton, medicine, etc. This reaction takes place in nature. Till today, we are not in the position to carry out this simple reaction in our laboratories. However, the development of good quality fertilizers and insecticides have increased the yield. Energy. The major sources of energy are fossil fuels like coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. These are all combustible chemicals. The fuels are burned to produce energy to drive trains, trucks, buses, and all automobiles. However, burning of fuel increases constantly environmental pollution and is responsible for global warming. The energy is also used to generate electricity. However, at present rate of consumption stock of fossil fuels will be exhausted within next 40 to 50 years. This implies that there is a need for the development of new sources of energy. The sources must be non-pollutant and cheaper as well. Research in the field of electrochemistry has developed several electrochemical cells like Daniell cell, lead storage cell, dry cell, nickel cadmium cell, lithium ion cell, fuel cell, etc. Solar energy is a viable source of energy for future. Presently, most of the solar energy that we receive on the earth is wasted since we do not have convenient way to store it. Now, the attempt is being made to convert solar energy into electrical energy using photovoltaic cells, the solar cells. Attempt is also made to obtain hydrogen from water, which is used in fuel cells to generate electricity. Materials. Knowledge of chemistry is used to design and generate large number of materials like polymers, plastic, liquid crystals, adhesives, and surface coating materials like latex paints. Knowledge of chemistry is also used to synthesize new materials that can act as superconductors at or near room temperature. This will reduce almost 20% loss of electricity caused while transporting it through copper cables. This is as good as generating additional 20% electricity. Microprocessors used in computers are silicon chips formulated and developed by chemists. They are playing main role in the research and development of silicon chip. The speed of advanced microprocessors are doubled after every 1.5 years. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.